Hi friends, this is chemistry class 4. Today we are discussing about sp cube d hybridization and sp cube d square hybridization and some gas laws. Okay, first of all, sp cube d hybridization is the process of forming one s orbital and 3 p orbitals and one d orbital together into 5 identical hybrid orbitals at the energy levels of an atom. Next bit is example of sp cube dehybridization is PCl5. Here phosphorus is the nucleus of the molecule. Number 4, sp cube dehybrid shape is trigonal bipyramidal. Number 5, sp cube dehybridization bond angle is 120 degrees and 90 degrees. And sp cube dehybridization contains 5 number of bonds. Number 7, S nature in sp cube dehybridization is 20%, and also P nature in sp cube dehybridization is 60%, and finally D nature of sp cube dehybridization is 20%. Number 10, one s orbital and 3 orbitals and 2 d orbitals are the energy levels of an atom. The process by which d orbitals combine to form 6 identical hybrid orbitals sp cube d is called square hybridization. Next, example of sp cube d square hybridization SF6, assuming sulfur as your nucleus. And number 12, sp cube d square hybrid shape is octahedral. Bond angle in sp cube d square hybridization is 90 degrees, and number of bondings in sp cube d square hybridization is 6 bonds, and S nature in sp cube d square hybridization is 16.67%. P nature in sp cube d square hybridization is 50.01%. And finally, D nature in sp cube d square hybridization is 33.34%. Two atomic orbitals combine to form two atomic orbitals, one of each binding orbital and two inhibitory orbital. Intrinsic atomic forces are the forces extend between atoms of matter in a solid or liquid or gaseous state these are called van der Waals forces. Ion and another by the dipole atom called bipolar forces. Number 22. The 4 physical properties of gases are: capital V is volume, capital P is pressure, and capital T is temperature, and capital N is number of moles. That go on the relationship between are the called air laws. Number 23. The process by which molecules of different materials come together voluntarily is called diffusion. Okay, next number 24. Gases from a high pressure area enter a low pressure area through a microspores, or expansion into a vacuum is called extinction. Number 25. When the temperature and the mass of the gas are kept constant, the volume of the gas and Boyle's law, which describes the relation between pressure. Number 26. The temperature of a solid volume of air when the air pressure and air mass are kept constant. The relationship between is called the Charles law. Number 27. Scientists who proposed the atomic motion theory of gases are: first scientist is Maxwell, second Boltzmann, and finally Clavius. Number 28. Gases consist of a large number of highly subtle isolated particles called atoms. Gases consist of a large number of highly subtle isolated particles called atoms. Number 29. Air has a solid volume and mass. When the air pressure and temperature are kept constant, relation is called the Avogadro rule. The number of atoms in a mole of gas is called the Avogadro number. Number 31. Avogadro number value is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Number 32. The gas that strictly adheres to all the rules of air at all temperature pressures is called the ideal gas. Number 33. Gases that comply with gas laws only at certain temperature pressures are called real gases. Number 34. The most frequently used unit is called molarity, mole number. Number 35. The weight of a substance in grams is called the gram weight. Number 36. The number of grams per gram of solution dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called the normality of the solution. Number 36. Normality is denoted by N. Number 37. The number of moles contained in a kg of solution is called the solution molarity. And number 38. ppm stands for parts per million. Number 39. ppb stands for parts per billion. And final question. The word acid comes from which language? It is Latin.